Welcome to the last of the series of videos that I'm presenting with relation to advanced payroll and end of financial year. This video will actually concentrate more on the compliance updates that will be available and also the portion on how to actually send your finalisations to the ATO after you've reconciled. 3 previous videos are also available, which are for the new features in version 2020 for reporting and inquiries, also how to do fringe benefits tax processing, and a video on reconciling your payroll. As the federal budget has not been released yet, there is no change to tax rates at this point in time. In advance, there'll be automatic updates ready for your site for your first pay run in July, and they will contain things around the HECS and study loans, maximum super contributions, and also ETP thresholds. End of financial year checklist, things you need to do before you're ready to send your finalisation. You need to check your details for your employees. You need to do your reportable fringe benefits tax entries if you have any, and reconcile your payroll, and then you're able to send your finalisation submission to the ATO. With regards to checking your employee details, really the area to concentrate on is to make sure that you've got all the tax file number declaration area correct, and also the correct type of payment summary that you're going to be requiring for that individual. And generally that will be the individual non-business. Pay item liabilities may need to be checked, and certainly updating the history of the pays is along with it. The area that will be important is the ATO category. And if you are making any changes to that, then what you want to do is make sure it flows through to the pay history as well. And this can be done by clicking on your action button and dropping down the pay history. Reportable fringe benefits tax, as per the video, make sure that you have put your pay period ending date 31st of March or prior, that your physical pay date is a current date so that the balances of your staff don't get out of alignment. Now, reconciling your payroll, you've actually checked your postings are okay within the general ledger, that your leave entitlements and provisions are in line, and that your superannuation has been reconciled for what your expenses are and the salary sacrifices. To actually then complete your finalisations, you're going to make sure that you've completed and processed all your pay runs for the financial year. You've done your reconciliation, and then you'll be ready to send your finalisation event to the ATO. Sending finalisations. Let's have a look at this, how to get to this screen. All right, you have your single touch payroll, finalisation. Now, I don't have access to this area because this is a demonstration database, but you can see here at the top, you've got financial year, and this box here include inactive employees. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So you're going to pick the year that you're actually doing your finalisation event for. Depending on whether you've actually sent finalisations for terminated staff or not, you're going to include inactive employees. You're going to then tick on your box next to the employee ID heading, and that will select all the staff you want are going to be sending the finalisation for. If you have any corrections to be made after you've sent the first finalisation, then it's just a matter of making those corrections and coming back and just sending a finalisation event again for that person that you've had to do a adjustment to. Clicking Submit Finalisation Event will actually then go on to your STP list as appearing similar to that of your normal pay runs and your pay run by pay run submissions. For everything you want to know about single touch payroll and finalisations, there is the white paper available on the MYOB Education website, ready for you to download, which goes into detail of what I've also been talking about today. There's also the MYOB Advanced release notes for the most recent versions of Advanced. And your other option is also to use our Momentum People Process articles, help files that we've also created. Right, just an important byline that we need to make sure that any information I'm giving here is for examples only. I'm not here to give any advice. So if you require any assistance with processing your payroll, please seek advice from a registered BAS agent or tax agent. Right, so here's some web addresses for you to get information. You'll see how the screen looks when you get onto the Education Centre as far as downloading white papers. There's also the release documents available, and there's some simple videos also available for you to look at. And that's available at the help.myob.com/wiki/display/advanced. Thank you for joining me for this series. It's been fun putting it together, and I hope that it has assisted you to get ready for end of financial year with Advanced People. If you need any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us via our phone or sending an email to support@momentumss.com.au.